Good morning. This is Mike Houston with your Thursday morning weather hazard briefing for Southeast Idaho. Looking at our weather impact summary slide, we have a moist southerly monsoon flow which will persist through the region through the weekend, resulting in scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms with wetting rains and a potential for flash flooding. We do see an increasing southwesterly flow breaking into the region Monday through Tuesday, with gradually drier conditions, and I put that in quotes, working into the region around midweek. All right, looking at satellite imagery, that high-pressure system out here in the Midwest with the moist monsoon flow rotating up through the Four Corners region and the Great Basin into southern Idaho, which is fueling some of the heavy rains that we've had across the region here the last couple days. That will continue through the weekend. We look off the coast, we see the next low-pressure system advancing very slowly towards the northwest coast, and that will bring those drier southwest winds into the region here sometime the middle of next week. Taking a look at our model simulated radar reflectivity for today, this really is just going to point out where we expect to see the best convection today, and looks like it's generally going to be in a corridor from Dillon, Montana down through Mackay. Looks like a good corridor for activity here. This particular model here is showing some additional convective activity up towards Salmon, where we saw on a couple of our normal models here it was relatively dry. And also here across the Southeast Highlands looks like another good place for some convective activity this afternoon. Looking at the precipitable water or the available atmospheric moisture, we do see some elevated moisture levels here across the east, so any thunderstorm activity that we get in this region should be fairly decent in terms of moisture production or rain. We could see some flash flooding as well with those. You can see up in the Central Mountains, a little drier up there over what we've seen the last couple days, so character may be not quite as wet up there. Looking at the model simulated radar reflectivity for Friday, looks like some pretty healthy thunderstorm activity here all the way through the southeast mountains, maybe over towards the City of Rocks, Burley area, and then perhaps another little corridor here from Lador over to Galena Summit. May see some thunderstorm activity in that region as well. Looking at the moisture, available moisture, we can see that things have moistened up throughout all of southern Idaho at this time, so the potential for some heavy rain there, and still relatively dry up into the higher reaches of the Central Mountains. We jump ahead here to Monday. That's when we expected to see that transition away from this monsoonal flow to these southwesterly winds now beginning to break into the Pacific Northwest here Monday and Tuesday, and that'll gradually bring us some drier conditions. And I did put that in quotes because as this trough moves on shore, any lingering moisture that we've had from the monsoon will, of course, interact with that more vigorous flow coming on shore. So we will see some thunderstorm activity, but eventually that monsoon moisture will get pushed out of the region and we'll begin to transition over towards a drier regime. Okay, to repeat, we do have a moist southerly monsoon flow across the region. That'll persist through Sunday, giving us scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms with wetting rains and the potential for flash flooding in some areas. We will see increasing southwest flow aloft Monday and Tuesday with a gradual trend towards drier conditions working into the region around midweek. All right, that's all I had for you this morning. If you had any comments or questions, please give us a call here at the number on the screen. Thank you.